So, for some reason, I'm wondering at the moment about scale, about sizes and distances, and where we fit into the universe in terms of scale. So, I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but I'm thinking if, maybe, I'm thinking just maybe, what we could see as a vast distance, like from here to Saturn or something, or from here to the planet Pluto, we see that as a huge distance. But then I'm thinking if I was an ant or something, I would regard walking across a room or walking down a corridor as a huge journey. But it isn't really huge when we look at it. To the ant, it's massively huge, that journey. So I'm wondering where humans fit into the universe in terms of scale. So we see a trip to the planet Saturn, for example, as being huge. Thousands and millions of miles or whatever. And we see the universe, of course, as infinite, and we see our galaxy as billions of miles wide. So I'm wondering if our sense of scale is limited or attuned to us, but to other scales it could be a lot bigger, or what we consider to be big could be actually fairly small compared to something else. So in other words, are we tiny? Are we the equivalent of ants and bugs and whatever? And aliens out there would be absolutely huge. They'd be hundreds of times bigger than the planet Earth. So in other words, is humanity big, or is humanity the equivalent of ants compared to the size that things can get to? So I'm just wondering if there is a definite understanding of how we fit into the universe in terms of size, or could we be really tiny and so aliens would be massively huge? So we could be this small and an alien could be really big. So what we see as the universe could actually be a kid's mattress or something. I hope you can understand where I'm coming from, but I'm just wondering if there is any way of knowing absolute scale. So could an alien be bigger than the Earth, for example, much bigger than the Earth, bigger than 1,000 Earths bunched together? So I hope I'm clear. Thank you.